Children, the next topic what we are going to learn is about nucleic acids. Nucleic acids means generally we know the characteristics of the grandparents of each and every species, that is they are transmitted from one generation to the next generation. So the responsibility for this transmission are they are called chromosomes. The chromosomes which are present in the nucleus of the cell, they are the responsible for the transmission of these characteristics. So the chromosomes are made up of two main components. One is proteins, the other one is the nucleic acids. Protein already we have learnt. Next to nucleic acids, there are two type of nucleic acids. One is DNA, other one is the RNA. DNA means deoxyribonucleic acid. RNA means ribonucleic acid. So, the composition, what and all present in the nucleic acid? Both the nucleic acids are biopolymers of nucleotide. What is meant by nucleotide? Nucleotide consists of three components. One is nitrogenous base. The second one is pentose sugar. The third one is phosphate group. It is NPP. Nitrogenous base, pentose sugar, and phosphate group. These are the three components of a nucleotide. So, first we are going to learn about nitrogenous base. Nitrogenous base means they are nitrogen containing organic compound, which are the derivatives of the two parent compound, that is called purine and pyrimidine. Both RNA and DNA contains purine bases. The bases present in purine are, one is adenine, the other one is guanine. In pyridine, three bases present. One is thymine, cytosine, uracil. Here, cytosine is present in both DNA and RNA, but thymine is present only in DNA. Uracil is present only in RNA. I think now children, you are all clear with this. Nucleotide means consisting of three components: nitrogenous base, pentose sugar, phosphate group. In the nitrogenous base, two components, purine, pyrimidine. Purine consists of adenine, guanine, both DNA and RNA. Pyrimidine consists of thymine, cytosine, uracil. Cytosine present in both DNA and RNA. Thymine is present only in DNA. Uracil is present only in RNA. Now we are going to learn these structures. First, what is purine structure? First, a 6-membered ring connected with the 5-membered ring. Here, this is the first atom, consists of nitrogen, and third position consists of nitrogen. So, one clockwise, numbering is in the clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 7 containing nitrogen. 8, 9. This is the purine base. Here, nitrogen should satisfy 3 bonds and carbon should satisfy 4 bonds. So, N, one double bond placed here, then single bond, then double bond, then single bond, then double bond. See, N, 2 plus 1, 3. Here N, 2 plus 1, 3. Carbon, if you are seeing here, means carbon should satisfy 4 bond and nitrogen should satisfy 3 bond. So here nitrogen 3 bond, double bond, so 3. Here one more nitrogen present, NH. So 1, 2, 3 nitrogen 3 bonds. This is the purine base. Among the purine, the structure should be well thorough with this. Then only based upon this we can draw 2 structures for adenine and guanine. Adenine, same 6-membered ring and 5-membered ring. Same similar only N, same here N, here also one NH. Extra one compound present here, NH2. This is the structure for adenine. Next guanine, 6-membered, 5-membered. Similarly, same N double bond, here NH, same only as it is here. Here N, here one double bond O present. So in order to satisfy that, here one H, NH, here one N, third carbon one N, and this here one NH2 group present, extra NH2 group here present, second carbon. Then similar same here only one nitrogen, only one bond. This is the guanine. Difference is first carbon, second, third, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All are similar, only NH2 is extra here. Here one NH2 kept this position with the double bond O in the 6th position. This is extra. Then the carbon should balance 3 bonds. The carbon should balance 4 bonds. Nitrogen should balance 3 bonds. Next, pyrimidine, a 6-membered ring. Nitrogen, carbon, nitrogen, carbon, 2 nitrogen, first carbon, CH, next carbon, double bond, 3 bond. So second, third, fourth, fifth, CH, double bond, CH, alternate single and double bond. This is the pyrimidine base. Here in pyrimidine base there are 3 divisions: cytosine, thymine, uracil. Same, only similar structure only. It is given in the book, but names are given wrong. This is given in the book as thymine, write as cytosine. This one uracil, right? This numbering should be in the anti-clockwise direction. Here the numbering should be in the clockwise. Here the numbering should be in the anti-clockwise. So here in cytosine, NH2 group is the extra group, and thymine CH3 group is the extra group. Here double bond O, double bond O, double bond O, 3 of them having double bond O, extra. Thymine having 1 double bond O here, uracil having 1 double bond O here. Others are similar only. can draw and see in the book, any one of the structure will be asked for the test. Draw adenine or guanine or thymine. This is cytosine, this is uracil. Cytosine, uracil. So here the adenine, the chemical name for adenine is 6-aminopurine, because amino group is in the 6th position. 6-aminopurine. Guanine, the chemical name is 2-amino 2. This is the second nitrogen. 2-amino 6-oxypurine. Similarly, pyrimidine 2,4 here. Sorry, this one pyrimidine. Uracil we can name 2,4 dioxy 5-methoxy pyrimidine. Likewise, we can name everything clearly given in the book, and you can mark in the book, children.